Yeah. So we're continuing our National Food Week where we road trip our taste buds in our states. So Georgia, well known for its peaches, nicknamed the Peach State. Though it wasn't the first to name it the official state food. South Carolina was, but we know who wore it best. So it turns out peaches are keto friendly. There's only like 8 net carbs in 100 grams. There's about to be a lot less peaches in the world. So stay tuned for a peach cake and welcome to my kitchen. So I'm excited about this recipe for a few reasons. Number one, when I found out that peaches were keto friendly, yes, just yes. And then number two, it's summertime and peaches are a summer fruit, so they're gonna cost less. And did I mention that peaches were keto friendly? Number three, it's cake. Who doesn't love cake? And then cake with peaches. Did I mention that peaches were keto friendly? All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is preheat my oven to 325 degrees. Now, in a bowl, we're gonna place 11 tablespoons of softened butter and 1/3 to 1/2 cup of a low-carb sweetener to your taste. And we're just going to mix these until they're light and creamy. Beautiful. Now, we're gonna add the eggs one at a time, making sure they're well combined in between, and we need 3 large eggs. And to this, we're gonna add 2/3 cups of almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're just gonna give this a really good mix. And then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of heavy cream, or you can also use coconut milk. We're just gonna mix these all until it's well combined. Perfect. Now, we're just gonna place this in a 9-inch round baking tin lined with a parchment paper. And just spread this out so it's nice and even. And then we're gonna top this with our peaches. Just try to make it as presentable as you'd like. Perfect. Now we're gonna bake this in our 325-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Beautiful. And then you just let this cool a little bit, and then you just serve this. And this makes about 12 servings, and you're looking at about 2.5 grams of net carbs per serving. And there you have peach cake deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below if you're definitely give this peach cake a try, because peaches, cake, perfect, period. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and tune in tomorrow for more National Food Week deliciousness.